how to get 1000 Telegram subscribers. In this very video, I'm going to simply guide you on the best strategy to get at least 1000 Telegram subscribers on your Telegram channel, Telegram group. I'm going to simply guide you on how I was able to build a lot of Telegram channels for myself, for my team, for my clients online. As you can see right here, this is a Telegram channel I run on my own. For instance, this one right here has over 3,000 subscribers. This one has over 5,000 subscribers. This one has over 3,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and the rest of that. Okay, so this very method is going to work for you if you pay close attention to what I'm going to teach you in this very video. And I'm going to simply break this into simple steps so that you will know what you have to do and start doing it immediately. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to guide you on the normal method of getting subscribers on your Telegram channel and also on your Telegram group. Okay, secondly, I'm going to guide you why the normal method are going to simply ruin your Telegram channel and the Telegram group. Okay, and thirdly, I'm going to guide you on the best new method to get Telegram subscribers and Telegram group members. And lastly, which is a bonus tip, I'm going to simply give you a bonus tip that will help you to stay consistent with it, boost your channel audience and engagement. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right now. For you to start promoting your Telegram channel, you need to have at least one Telegram channel. Okay, if you don't know how to create one, you can simply click on the pencil button, then you come over to this section. You can simply create a new channel for yourself. So if you've created your group or your channel, and there are some random ways you can simply do it and promote your channel. Okay, for instance, if you head over to this very channel here, you can simply promote this very channel. You can simply click on the subscriber section. Okay, then you come over to the subscriber section, then click on add subscribers. Okay, so this is a normal way of getting Telegram subscribers. And if you click on add subscribers, then these are your contacts. Then you're going to see all the contacts on your list. Okay, you're going to see all the people on your contact list. Okay, if there are 1,000 people, then you can simply get 1,000 people on your channel. Okay, now remember I told you I'm going to simply guide you on why this particular method is not going to work 100%, though it has been working, but that is one of the normal way of getting subscribers to your Telegram channel. All right, so another way to get subscribers to your Telegram channel is simply head over to this section right here, click on this share button. All right, when you click on the share button, you're going to see this link here, this particular link. You can simply copy your Telegram link. Whenever you copy the Telegram link, you can share it on your social media handles, your Facebook, your group, and you can simply share it on your WhatsApp for your WhatsApp contact to join you. All right, so that is just the normal way of getting Telegram subscribers on your Telegram channel and also on your Telegram group. Okay, but this method is gonna simply ruin your Telegram channel and you can easily lose your account. Though this is legit and Telegram supports it 100%, but one thing Telegram doesn't support is spamming. All right, they don't support spamming people on the Telegram app. Okay, for instance, if I create this Telegram channel newly, then I come over to my account section right here, click on the subscribers, then click on add subscribers. Because I said you should go ahead and add subscribers from your contact list, you might end up adding, if you have 2,000 contacts, you can end up adding all of them, and Telegram bot is going to simply detect that as spam. Okay, first, they are going to take down your Telegram channel. Secondly, you can easily lose your Telegram account, which is banning your account, getting your number banned, your Telegram number banned. Okay, I would advise you to allow those people to be joining on their own. Anybody that join and want to leave, they are free to exit. Okay, for other people to join. Don't add people on your Telegram channel. Don't add people from your contact. Okay, you can simply go ahead and share the link to them individually on WhatsApp, other platform. Don't share it on Telegram. If you share it on Telegram, it is also going to be seen as spamming, because you might end up sharing it to 30 people, 50 people, 100 people, 200, 1,000 people in a day, and you get your account banned. Okay, so don't do that. You can share that on your social media, you can share that on your WhatsApp. Okay, then from WhatsApp they will now be redirected back to the Telegram channel or the Telegram group where they have to join. Okay, that's what you have to know before we get into the main part of this very video. Okay, so remember I told you that this particular strategy is going to work for you if you pay close attention to what I'm about showing you. All right, the third step, I'm going to simply guide you on the new effective method to get subscribers to your channel. Okay, so right now we've already created our Telegram channel and we are going to exit the Telegram app entirely. You have to search for telega.io. This very platform is going to help you to index your Telegram channel, the new Telegram channel you've already created. Okay, one of the best way this is going to work for you faster is when you use an SEO friendly name for your Telegram channel. For instance, if your Telegram channel talks about fitness, you can simply use fitness as the name of your Telegram channel. Alright, if it is talking about football, you can use football highlight as the name of your Telegram channel, so that when people type in the particular keyword for your channel will pop up. Okay, so that is one of the best way to do it. Okay, then you have to head over to this very website. This is a Telegram catalog. Okay, you have to add your Telegram channel or Telegram group to this very catalog. Okay, come over to your dashboard here, but you're gonna see a lot of things that will pop up right here. You're gonna see my channel and charts, add requests, my special offers, my bot, affiliate programs, and all of that. Okay, so if you click on this my channel here, okay, so what we have to do right now is simply go ahead and add our channel to this very section. Okay, it's just a Telegram catalog where you can simply see all other Telegram channels. Okay, and this will help your channel to appear to thousands or millions of people out there using Telegram. Okay, if your channel interests them, from there they can join you without you stressing it out. Okay, and you don't have to pay for these people to join. All right, then you have to simply click on this add channel and then add the channel link here, paste it here. Okay, so you agree the terms and conditions, then click on verify. Okay, you can see right here the channel has been added, and you can see the channel name here. This is the channel name. So the keywords you can easily add, you can simply add cryptocurrency, you can add cryptocurrency, you can add airdrop, you can add make money, or add money. They say we have to add at least 3 keywords. Okay, so for the team I can select airdrops or crypto. So I'm gonna select cryptocurrency. So for the language, select English. You can see this is the channel description. Audience gender ratio, you can simply leave it the way it is here. Then the next thing you're gonna do right now is simply click on this button. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do right now is simply go head over to this section. You can see about Telegram. You can simply set it up. Alright, so the channel has been added. The next thing you're going to do right now is simply go ahead and add more other channels that you want to add, or indeed groups. And the second website that you have to go to is any Telegram. This directly is going to help your channel to rank on Google on search. This is one of the best I like so much. This is tgdr.io. On this platform, you register your account, then you submit your channel, the same thing that we've already done. As you can see right here, these are channels, these are groups, and that are getting a lot of subscribers and members. Okay, and you can see right here, from here people can see your channel listed here, and they will subscribe to your channel because they love the topic that you talked about. Okay, so all you need to do is simply add your channel and your Telegram here, so that people can easily discover your channel. So for you to get more of this, you have to head over to your browser. You search for Telegram directory. Okay, search for Telegram directory, and you're gonna see this is the first website we saw. This is another Telegram directory. This is also a Telegram directory. You just have to make sure you search for Telegram directories, then add your channels to all of these websites. Okay, it can take like a few minutes for people to start discovering your channels. If your channel has good content, then they can easily go ahead and stick with you. Okay, and also you can simply go ahead and search for Telegram catalog, and you're going to simply see this is a Telegram catalog. This is also a Telegram catalog, and all you need to do is simply submit yours. All right, pick any country of your choice, then open the catalog, add the Telegram channel or group here, so that people can discover it and subscribe to your channel. This is going to help you to get a lot of subscribers on your Telegram channel. Okay, never you buy any Telegram channel subscriber or go for any platform that is gonna simply give you 50 subscribers for free or all those things. No, don't do that, because they're gonna simply send both Telegram subscribers to your channel, because you need active individuals, active genuine subscribers for you to begin boosting your traffic. If you've done all of these free steps and you want to simply skyrocket your game or maybe level up your game with paid ad, I would advise you to use only these 2 platforms to run your paid ad, either Facebook or you use Telegram.io. I've already made a video on how to run paid Telegram ads on Telegram.io and get your subscribers, get your members, and all of that. Okay, before you start promoting your Telegram channel, make sure you have lots and lots of content already on that Telegram channel. You have to head over to ads.telegram.org. okay, this is the first website that will help you to run your Telegram ads. You can see right here, I've already made a video on how to do this, and you can also use Telegram. Okay, so this is also a Telegram advertisement platform. that's going to help you to get genuine and real subscribers to your Telegram channel. Okay, these platforms are going to give you the best, and also you can utilize Facebook ads to promote your page. Okay, and if you want me to make a video on how to use Facebook ads to promote your Telegram channel, Telegram group, and also monetize these Telegram channels and groups, I want you to comment next video on the comment section. If I see next video on the comment section, then I will know that you want me to make a video on how to run paid ad on Facebook to promote your Telegram group and Telegram channels. Okay, so these are the effective strategies to boost your Telegram channel with real and active subscribers and members. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel so that more people can see the video, and also join us on the Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel for more updates like this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.